Class, now we will consider an example of distance traveled by an object in nth second. Okay, so we have studied what was the equation of motion for s nth. It was equal to s nth is equals to u plus a by 2n minus 1. Now we'll come to the question. What does the question says? That a body covers a distance of 20 meter in 7th second. Okay, and 24 meter in 9 seconds. So there are two situations given to us, that a body covers in 7th second it covers 20 meter and in the 9th second it covers 24 meter. Now how much shall it cover in 15 second? We are given with 7th second, 9th second, and we have to find the distance covered by it in 15th second. Fine. So using this formula for s nth, we'll find out s 7th. Fine. So what will be s 7th? It will be u plus a by 2n minus 1. It means in place of n, 7 will come. We are talking about 7 seconds. So in place of n, 7 will come. So 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 1 gives us 30. Fine. In place of s 7th, as it is given that the body has covered 20 meter in 7 seconds, so s 7th will be 20 meter. So on solving this, we will get this. 20 meter is equals to u plus 13 by 2a. Let us mark this as 1. Fine. Now we are given with that a body covers 24 meter in 9th second. So we will solve as it is. We have solved in case of 7th second. So s 9th will be equal to u plus a by 2. Now n will become 9. Okay, we are talking about 9th second. So now n will become 9. 2 into 9 gives us 18. 18 minus 1 gives us 17. So we'll find, we'll get this expression. Fine. Now as we have to find out the value of distance in 15th second. So first, what is unknown to us? We don't know the initial velocity u. We don't know the value of acceleration. So using 1 and 2 and solving these, we will find out the value of initial velocity u and acceleration a. Now if we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, this u will get cancelled and we are left with value of a, which comes to be 2 meter per second square. Fine. Now we have to find the initial velocity u. What will we do? We can take any of the two equations, and if let us suppose if we take the first equation and put the value of 2 in this equation and solve it, what will we get? We'll get the value of u. We are getting it as 7 meter per second. Now we come to the final solution. We have to find out how much shall it cover in 15 seconds. So now we have u, we have a. We can simply put the values in this equation and then find s 15th. Okay. So come back here. So what is s 15th? It will be 7 plus 7 is what? U. Initial velocity u. U is 7 meter per second plus a is 2 meter per second square. We'll put the values here. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. And what is n in this case? It is equal to 15 because we are talking about 15th second. So 2 into 15 gives us 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We are left with 7 plus 29. So s 15th will be 36 meter. Fine. I hope you all understood this. Now moving to the next question in this category is a body covers a distance of 4 meter in 3rd second. Okay. And 12 meter in 5th second. If the motion is uniformly accelerated, how far will it travel in the next 3 seconds? Now, you can compare these questions. We had given 15th second. They were talking about 15th second. But here we are not given the exact nth term to find out. We are given that the body, how much distance will it travel in the next 3 seconds. So, we are talking about after 5, how much distance will it travel in the next 3 seconds? So 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Fine. So somehow we will have to find S8 also. Let us start with the solution. First we are given with the third second. So S third will be equal to U. What is U? We don't know. Plus A by 2. A we don't know. 2N. 2 into N. What is N? 3 minus 1. Now 2 into 3 gives us 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we will get U plus A by 2 into 5. And here the distance was 4 meter. So we will get a equation which is equals to 4 is equals to U plus 5 by 2A. Let us mark this as equation 1. Now solving 12 meter in 5th second, again we will get S 5th is equals to U plus A by 2. 2 into 5 minus 1. It will give us, what is the distance traveled? 12 meter. So it will give us U plus 5 into 2, 10, 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 by 2A. Okay. So we can say that 12 is equals to U plus 9 by 2A. Let us mark this as equation 2. Fine. Now we have to again find out the value of U and A from these two equations. These two equations are even given to us just to find out the value of U and A. So how will we find out? Again we can see that this is the large number, so we can subtract 1 from 2. Fine. So what will we get? 12 is equals to U plus 9 by 2A minus 4 is equals to U plus 5 by 2A. On solving this, 12 minus 4 gives us 8. U will get cancelled. Plus 9 minus 5 gives us 4. So 4 by 2A. Or we can say that 2 and 4, this will give us 2. So we are left with 8 by 2 is equals to A. Or we can say that A is equals to 4 meter per second square. Fine. So we have found out A. Value of A is equals to 4 meter per second square. Now again by putting this value in equation 1, which is 4 is equals to U plus 5 by 2 into A. A is 4. So solving this we get 4 is equals to U plus 5 2s are 10. Fine. So U will become 10 minus 4. Sorry. It will give us 4 minus 10. And so the value of U will be minus 6 meter per second. Fine. The value of U in this case will be minus 6 meter per second. But what we have to find? We have to find the distance traveled by it in the next 3 seconds. What will, we were talking about S 5th. So after 3 seconds, what will we get? S 8th. Fine. So let us quickly find out S 8th also. It will be equal to U. U we know, minus 6 plus A by 2. What is A? 4. 4 by 2. 2N means 7 minus 1. So it will give us minus plus this will get cancelled. 2 into 7 minus 1 is 6. So minus 6 plus 12 is equals to 12. So at S8 is equals to 12 meter. Fine. But we have to find the distance travelled in next 3 seconds. So the distance travelled in next 3 seconds would be equal to S8 minus S5. Fine. But this is the S8th term, sorry. So here we have to find the distance travelled in 8th second and the distance travelled in 5th second. So we will find it out by using S is equals to UT plus half AT square. So U is 6 into 8, T is 8. Okay, we are talking about 8 seconds, plus half, A is 4, T is again 8 square, minus of minus 6 into 5 plus 1 by 2 into 4 into 5 square. Fine. Solving this, what we will get? 6 8s are 48, minus 48 plus this 2 will cancel this 2, 8 8s are 64, 64 into 2 will give us 128. Fine. Minus of minus 10 plus again 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. Fine. So we are left with, when you will solve it, you will get 80 minus 20 and finally you will get 60 meter. So it is the distance traveled in the next 3 seconds. It is equals to 60 meter.